This is about the spaceships of Spaceship Team. It is weird, indeed. Everything is weird. So, a fun fact about the spaceships of Spaceship Team is that there are 3 different types of spaceships. The most commonly used one is the mission spaceship, also known as the spaceships that everyone have to because there are 10 groups of 4 in the spaceship team, so each group shares one spaceship that they own. The 10 groups work together to finish the quests and missions, and sometimes they discover something fun. Well, for the mission spaceship, for those spaceships, the 4 people share that one spaceship to finish and work on their missions. And those spaceships are the fastest spaceships out of the 3 types. The mission spaceship can fly up to 15 times the speed of light, and is powered by dark matter, antimatter, and also sometimes it can also be powered by strange matter. But strange matter is extremely dangerous because sometimes if strange matter was leaked out, then it will turn everything into strange matter. So that's why the spaceships rarely use strange matter. But if they have to, they can. Other than that, the mission spaceship also can gather energy from electromagnetic waves such as light waves and sound waves, and other kinds of radiation rays. Weird. Well, how do the groups get food? Well, they use the 3D printers to print out food and drinks, and they have 3 of those 3D printers on the spaceship. Per each spaceship, there are 3 3D printers. One of them is for printing objects, and it's not often used because, well, it also wastes energy to use the 3D printers. The other 2, one of the 3D printers are for printing drinks and liquids, and the other one is used for printing food. Another fun fact about the mission spaceships of the Spaceship Team is that they have the gravity option, also known as they can set the gravity to any number possible. They can even set the gravity they can set the gravity to the Earth mode of the gravity, and when they are flying through space in the spaceship, they'll always turn on the gravity, so their things would not float everywhere. But if they want to, they can definitely turn it off, so they can float around in midair inside their spaceships. The floors of the mission spaceship. The mission spaceship has 3 main floors. The first one, it includes the control room for the whole spaceship. It also contains the lab room, also known as where the technologies were stored. It also contains the office, where the group of 4 people can work on their projects together in the office. The office, for some reason, has 8 tables and 16 chairs. It's pretty big. And for the second floor, there are the bedrooms that were rarely used because the bedrooms were just, well, for each bedroom there's a 2-layered bunk bed, and there is also a desk. There are usually 5 to 6 bedrooms for each of the mission spaceships. Also, for the third floor, there is the stargazing room. The stargazing room is just like a dome-shaped space, and sorry about that. And the dome-shaped space were all made with specially tinted glass. And not only that, sorry about that. I'm not sick. It's just like I started to talk weirdly. For the third floor, also, oh gosh. For the third floor of the mission spaceships, for the stargazing room, you can just sit there and you can watch all of the stars and galaxies quickly flying by. It is amazing. The stargazing room is just a normal stargazing room. It's called that because it's often used for stargazing. Not only that, the energy tanks were stored on the first floor. I forgot to tell you that. And the stairs are foldable metal stairs from the first floor to second floor, and the second floor to third floor. And for the third floor stargazing room, you can fold the metal stairs. Yes, you can fold the stairs and you can lock them from both inside and outside. Well, this whole video is just talking about the mission spaceship that is the most commonly used spaceship type of spaceship for the spaceship team. For the second video about the spaceships of spaceship team, the other 2 types of spaceships will be explained, because those 2 spaceships were a lot less complicated. And for some reason, I talk extremely weirdly today. It is fine.